Hi everyone, so like I said, I'm going to make this little boy jersey. I've got this little nice colorful sock here that I think is actually the perfect colors for a little boy for a jersey. I'm going to use the same pattern that I used for the sweater top I made for him here. So I'm going to use the same pattern on this, and then I'm going to the arms, I'm going to use this fold in the sock here, or maybe here. No, I think here. And then I'm going to place it on the fold and cut it out so I can use that. And then I'm going to cut off the ribbing here of the sock, because I'm going to use that as a ribbing for the jersey, like with the sweater top. So yeah, keep on watching. So, and there you go, our little boy in his little jersey. I think it actually came out quite cute. So yeah, if you want to see more of the videos I'm going to make clothes for him, next I'm going to make him some hoodies, then yeah, please keep watching. Bye.